The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Mitchell County in western North Carolina, Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southern Avery County in western North Carolina, northern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Spruce Pine, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Ingalls, Granite Falls, North Lakes, Colettsville, Ashford, Leanville Falls, Lake Hickory, Kings Creek, North Cove, and Gamuel. And now a special weather statement. At 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time,